Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make Shimla mirch Qeema. So you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, mustard oil, and half tablespoon of ZEERA. Remember to use mustard oil because it's more healthier. Next add cinnamon sticks 3. And then add 2 medium-sized onions. After it's golden and brown, add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and then saute well. Next add Qeema half kg minced meat. Now for masala you will need red chili powder, cumin powder, haldi, garam masala, everything half tablespoon. And here you can add salt according to your taste, how much you require. Now saute well and then you can see it will turn something like this. Now add 1 medium-sized tomatoes which are chopped cut and then you have to cover it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes you can see how it is changed. So what you're going to do next is that just add capsicums. So we are going to add 2 medium-sized capsicums and saute well, then it will also change its look. Then next you will add some ginger sliced ones and just dress it around the dish like this. And you have to cover it again for 5 minutes, then it will be fully ready. Now you can see how it looks after 5 minutes. So now our recipe is ready. Let's serve it. But before serving we will do some garnishing. So here I'm adding coriander leaves. So our yummy recipe is ready to eat. Share it with your family and friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.